In today's rapidly changing work landscape, career navigation has become a paramount concern. To shed light on this, we surveyed 3,000 senior executives for insights on their career journeys. Here are 3 valuable tips that emerged from their collective wisdom. Tip 1. Stand out through excellence. Achieving career success demands excellence. In a world that often defaults to overlooking us, it's crucial to excel in what we do. Dedicate countless hours to hone your craft. For me, it means constantly refining keynotes, enhancing my writing, and improving course content. There are no shortcuts, it's about putting in the hard work and mastering your domain. Be the CEO of your projects, and never assume entitlement. Remember, complaining won't propel your career forward. Tip 2. Cultivate original thinking. Originality is highly prized, yet many organizations struggle with uniform thinking. Avoid falling into the trap of conformity. The familiarity of company norms can stifle your unique contributions. Guard against this career pitfall by nurturing curiosity, cultivating skepticism, and questioning the status quo. Don't let your experience blind you to innovative possibilities. Strive for creative thinking and impactful solutions. Tip 3. Embrace lifelong learning. A growth mindset is the key to career success. Continual learning and growth are essential. Ask yourself periodically, what can I learn to advance my career, contribute to my cause, and satisfy my curiosity? Seek mentorship for career development, work on communication skills, and explore opportunities that align with your values. Feed your curiosity by pursuing subjects that interest you outside of your immediate career path. By following these tips, you can chart a course toward a successful and fulfilling career. Thank you for your attention. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel.